The continuation of the same question, he says that why did the angels fell into prostration for him while Iblis did not?
The angels fell into prostration indicates only a metaphorical meaning of prostration, falling in prostration. The fact is that no angel worshipped Adam. It cannot be found anywhere in the Quran that angels worshipped Adam. To be subservient, to obey, is sometimes indicated by the word sajda. So here sajda is not that act of worship which we find, which we experience ourselves, because that act is anyway impossible for the angels to perform because they do not have any corporal bodies. They cannot perform that sajda which humans can. So the very act or the difference of their nature and the character of their building proves beyond a shadow of doubt they could not have prostrated like humans, like this sajda. So their sajda should be interpreted in the context of their making. They should have, and they did, obey not Adam, but Allah's amr when it was breathed into him. And that shows that their prostration was for Allah. Even that spiritual, metaphorical prostration was for Allah, not for Adam. Because the Holy Quran says, وَإِذَا سَوَّيْتُهُ وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي فَقَعُوا لَهُ سَاجِدِينَ. Just the making of Adam is سَوَّيْتُهُ. That shows that Adam and the like of Adam were created long before. They were made into human beings. But no angel is required to follow them. But when Allah says, وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي, then I breathe into Adam my amr. Ruh is amr, the sharia, when I made him a prophet. Then you must prostrate before my order. The order of Allah is central to this argument. That is when Iblis said no, Allah said, I have appointed him. But right have you got to defy me. So Adam made of dust was not the object of the sajda of angels. The object of sajda of the angels was the prophet created out of Adam. And because Allah had breathed this amr into him, so they had to obey to Allah. Which means all the angels, after a prophet has appeared, begin to support his cause. All over the world, angels sometimes appear before pious people to tell them that someone has been appointed by God. Angels remove the hurdles of the path from the path of the prophets and so on and so forth. So this is the prostration of angels, to help prophets of Allah in every way that they can. Right? Which question was it?
Yes, the third and the